In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once in just a few simple steps. Many people find that their news feed gets cluttered with updates from friends and pages they don't want to see. By unfollowing everyone, you can have a fresh start and choose to follow only the accounts that matter most to you. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit and you'll see a section called Preferences, and in that section, you'll see an option called News Feed. Just tap on it. And then tap Unfollow. Now you'll be able to see everyone that you follow on Facebook. Just tap on them to unfollow, and you can quickly do this to unfollow lots of people at once. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.